forget my pride, girl. I'm begging you. You're my heart, you're my soul. You've got so much control.
Welcome to the E.D'ORSTYLES channel. My name is E.D'OR. Let me show you how I make this delicious high-protein meatless pasta sauce. I'm going to start by grinding walnuts.
I'm guessing I was too scared, baby. Maybe I just thought you.
This is the texture you're looking for. I'm going to blend the black beans. You want the walnut and the black beans to have the same ratio. I add a bit of the extra virgin olive oil to the blend just to make sure it's smooth. I keep shaking it like that because some of them get stuck together and I wanted to make sure that it's blended equally. Now let's move on to making the sauce. I add a bit of that extra virgin olive oil, some vegan butter for flavor, some onions, shallots, and garlic. I will only use half and the other half will be used later. Let that simmer and then add the blended black beans.
Can't you see I need you in my life?
As you can see, I keep separating the beans so it's not all stuck together. It will create a nice texture. Then I add the walnut and mix that all together. For my spices, I'll be using some paprika and my favorite spice and mix them up. I let it simmer for a while to get a crispy texture. After 5 to 10 minutes, just make sure you look at it because it can easily burn because of the nuts. I don't know if you can tell, but the texture is crispy. This is how it should look before adding the pasta sauce. And I'm just gonna add some beans I didn't blend. It's just gonna help the texture.
Maybe I just thought you'd say no. Whatever the reason for it was,
as well as the rest of the onions, shallots, and garlic.
Crazy. Every time you walk through the door, no matter how much,
a bit more spice,
always leave me one.
And bell peppers, and I mix that all together. As for the sauce, I'll be using this kind. It's the roasted garlic. I let that simmer. Don't worry about the texture. It's similar to meat. It won't feel like mushy. It's actually really nice.
Tell me how you really feeling. Tell me if you're feeling good. No, I don't wanna jump the gun, babe, but I don't wanna be misunderstood. I'm not trying to rush.
I like to add spinach to my meals if I didn't have salad that day, so it's just to help me with my iron. So I plate it with spinach and then I add the pasta on top. And voila, the delicious meatless sauce. I like to add nutritional yeast on top. It's similar to Parmesan cheese, but not really. But anyways, me personally, I feel like it tastes better, but that might be because I haven't had Parmesan cheese in a very, very long time. So yeah, enjoy. Let me know how you like it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
Foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Hold up, oh. baby, baby.